Millionaires, are you ready to dive into the heart of a geopolitical cauldron? Today, we are turning our gaze towards Bangladesh, a nation caught in the crossfire of complex challenges. This isn't just news, it's a narrative of a country on the brink. From economic turmoil to political unrest and the looming shadow of climate change, Bangladesh is facing a perfect storm. But fear not, millionaires, because today we are decoding the complexities, unraveling the mysteries, and giving you a front row seat to this unfolding drama. Welcome back to the geopolitical segment of Wondrous Millionaires, where we delve deep into the world's most critical issues. I'm your host, Molly. Today, we are focusing on Bangladesh, a nation that has been making headlines for all the wrong reasons. The once promising story of economic growth and development is now overshadowed by a myriad of challenges. So, let's dive in and explore the factors that are putting Bangladesh to the test. Number 1. Economic Storm. Bangladesh's economic miracle is facing a perfect storm. Millionaires, once hailed as an economic success story, Bangladesh is now battling a perfect storm of economic challenges. The global economic downturn, coupled with domestic factors like rising inflation, a depreciating currency, and declining remittances from overseas workers, has put immense pressure on the economy. Key sectors like ready-made garments, which are the backbone of the export industry, are facing headwinds. The government's ability to navigate these challenges will be crucial in determining the country's economic trajectory. The question on everyone's lips is, can Bangladesh weather this economic storm? Number 2. Political polarization. A deep political divide is casting a long shadow over Bangladesh. The political landscape in Bangladesh is marked by intense rivalry between the ruling Awami League and the opposition Bangladesh Nationalist Party. This polarization has led to frequent protests, strikes, and blockades, disrupting normal life and hindering economic activity. The allegations of electoral fraud and human rights abuses have further deepened the political divide. The question is whether these two major parties can find common ground for the sake of the nation, or if the country will continue to be paralyzed by political gridlock. Number 3. Refugee crisis. Millions of Rohingya refugees have turned Bangladesh into a humanitarian hotspot. The influx of over 1 million Rohingya refugees from Myanmar has placed a massive burden on Bangladesh. The Cox's Bazar refugee camps are overcrowded, and the local population is facing resource scarcity. The Rohingya crisis has also implications for security and stability in the region. The international community needs to step up its efforts to address the root causes of the crisis and find a durable solution for the Rohingya people. The question is, how long can Bangladesh sustain this burden? Number 4. Climate change catastrophe. Bangladesh is on the front lines of the climate crisis. Millionaires, Bangladesh is one of the countries most vulnerable to climate change. Rising sea levels, cyclones, floods, and river erosion are posing a severe threat to the country's population, infrastructure, and agriculture. Coastal regions are particularly vulnerable, with millions of people at risk of losing their homes and livelihoods. The government needs to invest in climate adaptation measures and disaster preparedness to protect its citizens. Is Bangladesh doing enough to adapt to this new reality? Number 5. Corruption and governance issues. Corruption is a cancer eating away at Bangladesh's progress. Corruption is a pervasive problem in Bangladesh, hindering development and eroding public trust. The country ranks relatively low in corruption indices. Areas like procurement, taxation, and public services are often affected by corruption. The government has initiated anti-corruption drives, but more needs to be done to establish a transparent and accountable governance system. How can Bangladesh break free from the clutches of corruption? Number 6. Social and cultural challenges. Bangladesh is undergoing rapid social transformation with both opportunities and challenges. Millionaires, Bangladesh is experiencing rapid social and cultural changes driven by factors like urbanization, globalization, and technological advancements. While these changes offer opportunities for progress, they also pose challenges. Issues such as women's empowerment, religious extremism, and youth unemployment require careful attention. The government needs to invest in education, healthcare, and social programs to address these challenges and build a more inclusive society. Can Bangladesh harness the power of its youth to drive positive change? Number 7. Regional geopolitics. Bangladesh is caught in a geopolitical chess game. Bangladesh's strategic location makes it a key player in regional geopolitics. The country is balancing its relations with India and China, two major powers with competing interests in the region. The ongoing border disputes with India and the growing Chinese influence in Bangladesh have added complexity to the geopolitical landscape. Bangladesh needs to carefully navigate these relationships to protect its national interests. Number 8. Global impact. Bangladesh's stability is crucial for regional and global security. Bangladesh's challenges have implications beyond its borders. The country's stability and economic progress are important for regional security and cooperation. The Rohingya crisis, for example, has destabilized the region and attracted global attention. Bangladesh's role in peacekeeping missions around the world also highlights its contribution to global peace and security. What role can the international community play in supporting Bangladesh? Number 9. Hope amidst challenges. Despite the odds, Bangladesh is showing resilience. While Bangladesh faces numerous challenges, it has also made significant progress in recent years. The country has achieved remarkable success in poverty reduction, improving literacy rates, and expanding access to healthcare. The resilience of the Bangladeshi people and the country's economic growth potential offer hope for a brighter future. What gives you hope for Bangladesh's future? Number 10. The road ahead. The future of Bangladesh depends on the choices made today. Bangladesh is at a critical juncture. The choices made by its leaders and citizens will determine the country's path forward. The government needs to prioritize economic growth, job creation, and social development. It is also essential to address the root causes of political polarization and corruption. Investing in education, healthcare, and infrastructure is crucial for building a resilient and prosperous Bangladesh. Can Bangladesh seize this moment and build a better future for its people? Bonus point number 11. The youth factor. Bangladesh has a young and vibrant population. This demographic dividend can be a powerful force for change. However, it is essential to invest in education, skills development, and job creation to harness the potential of the youth. How can Bangladesh empower its young people to become agents of change? Bangladesh is facing a perfect storm of challenges, from economic turmoil to political polarization, climate change, and refugee crisis. The country's future hangs in the balance. However, amidst these challenges, there are also glimmers of hope. Bangladesh has shown resilience in the past, and with the right leadership and support, it can overcome its current difficulties and build a brighter future. So millionaires, what do you think, which of these challenges is the biggest threat to Bangladesh's progress? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And that's a wrap, millionaires. If you found this video informative and insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Wondrous Millionaires for more thought-provoking content. Together, let's explore the world and understand the complexities that shape our lives. See you in the next video.